Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into device settings, scroll down and choose additional settings. Then click on keyboard and input method. Following that, keyboard and finally theme. Now click on this plus sign under my themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then choose done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on. When you're ready, just apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!